In primetime news this evening, government promises all Jamaicans killed by the passage of Melissa will be accounted for.
Residents growing desperate in some hurricane-hit areas as food supplies run short.
And residents get creative as travel gets difficult in marooned communities. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands, online at onespotmedia.com and on our YouTube page. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Anthony Lugg. A little later on we'll have the business news, but no, Jermaine Brown is here to give us a preview of what's coming up in the big show.
Thanks so very much, Anthony. Guess what? It's another win for the West Indies. I'll tell you about it a bit later on.
That's no. We'll also have sports with E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what have you been doing to assist those affected by Hurricane Melissa?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. The Primetime News returns right after this break.